Hi foodies, welcome to MellowBites, and today let's whip up a quick and healthy protein-rich pumpkin sauce pasta. To start off, let's boil 4 cups of water in an anodized pot with adequate salt and drizzle in some olive oil. Once the water comes to a nice boil, it's time to add the pasta. Here today I'm adding capellini pasta that looks more like a spaghetti from the brand Colavita. Once you add in, just ensure that the pasta gets dipped nicely into the water. Though it appears like a long stick, it easily folds inside the water after a few seconds. Let the pasta cook until it becomes soft. Meanwhile, here to my small and cute Hawkins cooker, I'm gonna add quarter cup of water, 2 red chilies, 4 garlic cloves and 250 grams of pumpkin that's cut into cubes, and add an adequate salt as well. Pressure cook this pumpkin for just 2 whistles. Once the pressure goes off, open the cooker. The pumpkin will be cooked very soft. Let it cool off for a while, then add it to a blender. Here I am adding 100 grams of paneer to it as well. Let's blend it into a smooth and fine paste. Here we go. Take a look. By the time even the pasta is cooked perfectly. Look at this. The pasta is cooked so perfectly with no water in it. Now let's add this pumpkin puree. This pumpkin sauce is really rich and creamy with flavors of paneer, the juiciness of the pumpkin, and the spice from the red chilies and garlic. It's definitely so good. Make sure that you mix all this pumpkin sauce really well until the pasta and the sauce blends. Not only that, for the aroma, let's add in oregano. Oregano enhances the pasta flavor to the next level. A super yummy, delicious, creamy pumpkin sauce pasta is ready. That's quick, healthy, tasty. Do try this out and definitely the whole family will love it. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.